Tonight from the Memphis criminal justice system, more insight into what members of the Memphis Police Scorpion Squad were thinking the night Tyre Nichols was beaten.
We're hearing what some of those officers told the FBI. WREG's April Thompson is our reporter in court. April, the FBI says at least one officer said the death was his fault.
Yeah, that's what Agent Anthony Householder testified to today. He was the second person the prosecution called before they wrapped up their case, the final witness being a nurse. Day 14 of the federal trial of 3 former Memphis police officers saw former officer Desmond Mills back on the stand. Wrapping up his testimony, Mills recalled the night he heard the radio traffic from his Scorpion team about a suspect who was tased, pepper sprayed, and still managed to get away from police. He said he thought it was, quote, BS. But he went to the call out of duty as an officer. Mills admitting to prosecutors, I knew the night of January 7th was bad. I knew punches were thrown. I knew excessive force was used. When I looked at the video from that night with my attorney, I couldn't hold it no more. I wasn't going to say I did right. I wanted to tell the truth to the family, to the city. I want to make it right. After his testimony, we asked Mills' attorney about his statements. He's done. He doesn't have anything else left.
Yeah, it's a sentencing hearing.
As sentencing? Yeah. Were you pleased with his testimony?
No further comments today. Sorry.
After Mills, prosecutors called FBI Special Agent Anthony Householder to testify. He interviewed Justin Smith and Tadarius Bean after Tyre Nichols died. He said in voluntary statements, Smith accepted accountability for his part in the beating, saying he was wrong to hold Tyre Nichols while he was being hit, and that Smith said it was his fault Nichols died. He had failed him. Agent Householder testified Tadarius Bean said he omitted information because he didn't want to bring harm to his team and didn't want to be labeled a snitch. The FBI also obtained text messages that were sent from Demetrius Haley's phone. Householder says one of those was between Haley and Bean minutes after the beating. Haley asking Bean, did you look at your body cam? Bean texting back, yeah, you look at yours. My camera fell off after 1 minute, so it was flat on the ground. Haley replying, okay, bet. And I wasn't over there when you got dude. Now, the prosecution has wrapped up its case, and the defense has started calling witnesses. The first 2 DNA testers that work with the TBI, they were on the stand this afternoon. But the judge still has to consider a motion for acquittal that was really filed by all 3 defendants. They want their cases acquitted. They're saying that the government's case is deficient and has fatal flaws. Judge Mark Norris says he will take that under consideration, under advisement. He hasn't ruled on that yet, but in the meantime, the trial continues, and more defense witnesses are expected to be on the stand in the morning. Reporting for your news leader, I'm April Thompson, WREG News Channel 3.